In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact forms to Joomla. This process will make it easier for users to reach out to you directly from your website. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Joomla admin area. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your site, including adding your contact form. Once logged in, navigate to Components in the top menu, then go to Contacts and finally click on Contacts. This is where the magic happens, where you'll be able to add new contacts or edit existing ones. Now go ahead and click the New button. This action will open up a new contact form where you can enter the details necessary for your site visitors to contact you. Fill in the required fields such as the contact's name and email address. You can also include additional details that you might want visitors to see on the contact form, like a phone number, department, or address. Once you've filled in these fields to your satisfaction, click Save and Close to capture and store this information. The next step is to make your newly created contact form accessible from your site's front end through a menu item. To do this, navigate to Menus, then select the appropriate menu where you want the contact form to appear. Typically this will be your main menu or another navigation menu you're using. Click on New to add a new menu item. You'll then need to set the menu item type. Select contacts from the options and choose single contact. This configuration tells Joomla to use the contact form you've just created for this menu item. Click on the Select button, where you can choose the specific contact you just set up. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Now if you want to further tailor your contact form's appearance and details, you can customize it. Head back to Components, then to Contacts, and again click on Contacts. Find the contact you created earlier and click on it to open its settings. Here you'll find the Contact Display Options tab, where you can choose what specific information you'd like to make visible on the contact form page. This might include adjusting which fields appear, such as showing or hiding addresses or phone numbers. Once you've made your adjustments, be sure to hit Save and Close to apply all the changes. And there you have it, a neatly integrated contact form on your Joomla site. This will significantly enhance the user experience by providing visitors a straightforward way to get in touch. Remember, customizing this form to fit your specific communication needs can greatly benefit user interaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Joomla site.